Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I almost want to erase the first two videos, but you would learn something from them. So this is part 3 and the last one I'm almost assured. And if you didn't watch the first two videos, you need to watch it. But here's something that's really going to help somebody. I made a contour, but I've taken the contour apart. I'm going to grab both those, select them. I'm going to go to Effects. I'm going to go to Blend. I'm going to blend. It doesn't matter how many times, but I'm going to blend 13 times and hit Apply. I'm going to go to New Path and put it on my contour. Whoop, I missed. Put it on my contour. I want it on the red line. Go up to Blend Along Full Path and Rotate Objects. If that's not the cat's meow, now there's some we don't want in those spots, but we have the angle. So let's select it all and go up to Object and break the 5 objects apart. Also select it all, go to Object and ungroup. Look at, we created all those angles. Well, it didn't. I needed to probably put more of the blend, but we have this angle and we just move it up that bar. It goes to the midpoint. Move this one to the midpoint. We've got all the angles already figured out. Now these you're gonna have to change. You know, you probably won't want a tab there, just delete it. Move this one to wherever you want it. And make sure you grab the X and move it straight down. It should just stay there. If you straight down, now that one you might not want. But the angles, it's going to save this person a lot of time. So let's just back up here and see when I said about, because we missed that angle. There, we missed that angle right there. Let's do let's do 20. Hit Apply. Blend along New Path. Blend and rotate, Apply. Now we have all the angles. Now we've got a lot we don't need. Like we have 2 on this side, but we have all the angles covered. And don't forget, you need to select it. I'm going to get rid of this. That was our calculation. Select the whole thing, go to Object, break the objects apart, select the whole thing, go to Group and ungroup. That will change everything. Now we have all the angles. So we just need to, let's zoom in here and see how easy this is. And if you will, when you click on that, if you'll stay on the box and just move it down, it'll go to midpoint. I mean, how easy is this? Midpoint. We'll delete that one. We don't need it. We don't need that one. You could put this one in the center. It's telling you the midpoints of that between the nodes. We don't probably need that one, but I'm just going to do something real quick and then show this person what I was talking about. Because then once we move our contour line, so let's say we've done them all and we'll get rid of some of these, but we've got all the angles done. Then just remove our contour line and there's your stack of what he wanted. That's pretty cool and pretty fast. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.